Simple syrup is in a lot of cocktails, so let's see how simple it really is. This simple syrup recipe calls for 1 cup of table sugar and 1 cup of water. Make sure you heat up your water first. Add heat until the water starts to simmer. Then turn the heat off immediately and stir in your table sugar until it's completely dissolved. Let the syrup cool for 10 to 15 minutes before pouring into a bottle for storage. The shelf life on this one is about a month. Rich simple syrup. We'll need 1 cup of water, but 2 cups of sugar. Then once again, turn the heat off immediately and add in your sugar until it's dissolved. This syrup will be more thick or viscous. This way, when cocktails call for syrup, you use less. Shelf life for Rich Simple is 6 months before it gets cloudy. How simple was that?
Baby, you're a mystery. Do you wanna grab a drink